Hey guys, we're going over how to measure a cover for your hot tub today. There's three components that we're gonna need. We're gonna need length, width, and corner radius. So we're gonna show you how to measure those. First two are pretty easy. We'll go take that tape measure down there. You're gonna go to the edge of the shell. You can see we've got 89 inches front to back. So all right, that'll be our first measurement. And 90 measurement, 89 inches side to side. That will be our other measurement. Those two are the easy ones to get. Last, we're gonna go over corner radius. Easiest way to do it is with a carpenter square. Just take the square, put it on the edge, and where your tub kind of starts touching, you'll see right here, we've got, it looks like a 7-inch radius on this tub. We'll show you here on the jacuzzi beside us, so you can kind of get the same idea. This one is also going to be, looks like an 8-inch radius. If you don't have a carpenter square, there's a couple other ways you can do it. It's really nice if you have something that's a flat edge, and you just take your tape measure and go straight to where it starts touching. And you can see right there, we've got that 8-inch radius. The other way, if you don't have anything, is to kind of set it on the side where your curve kind of stops, and then measure to the outside. Again, it gives us an 8-inch radius. We measure on this tub here. Looks like this is where we stop, so I'm gonna put the tape measure right there. And then I've got a 7.5-inch radius on that other one. So if you're gonna have to guess, I'd always guess on the small side on the radius, but that is how you measure for a new cover. Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you have any questions at all, please reach out to your salesman. We do have water valet services here in Utah where we can come out and take care of the water for you. And if you need help with your spa, maybe it's not doing exactly what you want it to, or you have an issue, reach out to our service center. And with that, don't forget to take a break.